guys, are you looking for a way to make a paper airplane? Well, you're in the right place. I'm using a small paper just because. That's my only paper. Okay. And then you're gonna unfold it. Fold that. Fold it again. You want to do this on a flat surface. Then you want to do this. Then you're going to flip it outwards. You want to keep the tip. Then you want it like this. Then you want it to look like this. Then you want it to look a lot like, and you want it to look like this. Then you flip it over. Gonna do the same thing. Then do that again. And then, voila! And that's how you make a paper airplane.